Good morning, class. How are you? Okay, you're so fine today. How energetic. That's right. Um so before we start our discussion or classes for today, let us first pray. Who wants to lead the prayer? Raise your hand. Okay, Miss Castro, you may now lead the prayer. So, right, thank you. Before we start the discussion, let me check your attendance first. So, okay, let me get my class record. Um, Once I call your name, please shout your favorite anime character. Is that okay? Okay, so Miss Montero. Alright. Wow, Miss Erza. Okay, so how about Mr. Saludar? Alright, thank you. So, um, how many are absent in your class? May I ask? Okay, very good. There's no absent in today's class, so I guess um you will all participate and listen. Alright, so before we proceed to our next lesson, I would like to call some students or any volunteer who would like to share their ideas or knowledge on the previous lesson that we have discussed. Um, any volunteer? No one wants to volunteer? Okay, let me call Miss Abrugar. Could you please share your thoughts on yesterday's lesson? Very good. So thank you, Miss Abrugar. And all right, you're welcome. so so before we start our discussion today, we are going to play a matching game. Are you excited, class? Wow, super energetic. So, I guess you're all ready. So, the instruction is you're going to identify what is shown in the pictures that I will be presenting, and you are going to identify what communication software it is. Is it clear, everyone? Are you all ready? All right. So seems like you're all ready. I want you to raise your hand if you're going to answer in this game. Okay, so the first picture is okay, Miss Montero. All right, very good. Thank you so much. The second picture is go ahead, Mr. Saludar. Very good. Thank you so much. So, did you enjoy the game, guys? Okay, so yeah. That was easy, right? Oh. Okay, so enough for the game. We are going to proceed to our topic. So, based on the activity, what do you think would be our lesson for today, class? Anyone? Miss Santos. Yes, that's right, correct. Today, I will discuss about communication software and the different types of communication softwares, including its functions. So first, let us define communication software. So, based on the definition, communication software is used to provide remote access to systems and exchange files and message in text, audio, and or video formats between different computers or users. But aside from that, communication software can work also as a standalone program that you can control or manage service you purchase in a subscription form. So, and either option will help to organize the transfer of information and improve our daily operations for teaching and for business. Um, it could also be used in classroom settings like this. So now that you have already an idea about communication software, what do you think is the benefit of having this in our day-to-day life? Anyone? Okay, Miss Montero. Okay, thank you. That's correct. Well, anyway, the main benefit of communication software is that it creates a network in which devices can be easily identified and managed. So these devices can then more effectively communicate information between various departments and employees. Do you understand, class? Alright, thank you. So, moving on, let's discuss the types of communication softwares. There are many types of communication softwares, but I will only name some types of communication software that is familiar to us. The first is the collaboration and productivity software. So this kind of software could also be used to create shared project milestones or track progress on numerous workloads. So in some cases, collaboration software can be synchronous and used for such tasks as video conferencing and or in remote demonstrations. And the second is the email software. So, email software provides a centralized location for many email accounts or even for a single user. This allows for more reliable and efficient communication. So, it could be between employees and clients. So the third is the instant messaging. So this software works just like any instant message based service. And it provides the employees with usernames that will enable them to be found and message quickly. So also, instant messaging software will often come bundled with collaboration and productivity features. So it makes a viable choice for most organizations. Um, do you have any questions? None? Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, and I hope you learned something from it. Any clarifications, class? Alright. Okay. So, since there is no questions, we are now going to have a brief presentation. about the discussion. Don't worry, guys. Okay, don't worry. It's just easy. Well, I know that you can answer this. So, I am going to pick random students from the box, and those students are going to recite the 5 types of communication softwares, or you can just give one or two and give a brief description about it. So the first name is Miss Montero, followed by Mr. Abrogar, Salodar, Gomez, Santos, and Villanueva. So, alright, that was an excellent answers. Thank you so much, my dear students. And now, I would like to ask on how you feel about the activity. Do you feel happy or do you feel sad? Just comment your favorite emoji below. Wow, I think you're happy. And well, since you don't have any questions on our previous discussion, let me ask you questions on how well did you comprehend our topic for today's session. Is that okay, class? Okay, thank you. So first, my question is, what is communication software again, class? Alright, very good students. Let's give a hand for everyone. So, how about the benefits of computer software? Wow, great. Thank you so much, my dear students. And seems like you all listen. And thank you so much for participating. You are so active and energetic. I can say that you're enjoying this moment. So at this moment, I know you're all ready for our quiz today. Are you all ready? Okay. So don't worry, class. This is just easy, and it will just take 5 minutes for you to answer. So do it with honesty and the best of your ability. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. So after answering the quiz that I will give in the Google form, just comment done if you're done, and then okay, we will wait. Anyway, it was just 5 minutes. Okay, so are you done? Okay, I can see that some are done. All right, thank you so much. You can message me for the guide or the sample modules if you want. I can give it to you, or you may ask for clarifications or questions or inquiries. You may message me, and then okay, I guess all are done answering. So last but not the least, I will give you your assignments. So I will send instructions, or you may read this. This is your assignment for today, for today's session, and that was easy, right? I know you can do it, class. Oh, okay. So once again, I am Mary Ann P. Abramatea, and I am your teacher in ICT, and I hope you all learned something from today's session, and see you on our next session. Thank you so much and have a great day, everyone. Bye.